Just Buggin.
Hey guys, it's Dalton.
And G-Man.
So man, what are we sitting in front of?
74 thing, used to be Fred's.
Yeah, and it also debuted at the Vita Factory Car Show a while back. We took it there.
We drove it up there.
Yeah, it was great. And Fred ended up selling it to Matt, which is the new owner of it.
He lives up in Atlanta, Georgia now.
Yeah, and you guys will see a future video on this vehicle, the entire restoration. As you guys see in the clip I just showed of what it used to look like, now it looks sweet.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a whole new paint job, some floor repairs. It's gonna be all POR'd and nice. It's gonna have some nice interior.
It's all POR'd.
It's already POR'd?
Beautiful inside.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it looks
Shit,
like
I didn't know about that, but hey,
finish the floors.
Stay tuned for the video. It's gonna be great. You'll see all the repairs done to it from the time it arrived to the time it will be leaving the owner's hands.
Right.
Which is great. So yeah, another thing is, why are we sitting in front of it?
Well, the reason we're sitting in front of the 74 thing is because the yellow 74 thing that I went to look at out in Crystal River,
yeah,
the owner was Pat, and we were looking at it for Jackie.
Yeah, which lives in Illinois. Yeah.
And she needed another set of eyes in the state of Florida.
Yeah, because she already had her parents look at it, but they said, hey, no, we need someone that knows a little bit more about VWs.
So we went and looked at it, and I told her what I saw and the flaws and everything, and she said, well, that looks like what I want.
Doable for me. Yeah.
She bought it, and it had been shipped up to Illinois.
Yeah.
And it was delivered to DirtyRides.
DirtyRides.
We'll be restoring it. And she sent me a video, and she's a natural.
Yes, she is.
On the camera. So check out the video.
Hey G-Man, Dalton, and Mrs. G. It's Jackie from Illinois. Remember me a couple weeks back? You were gonna help me buy a Volkswagen thing. Guess what? Take a look. There it is. I'm in Spring Grove, Illinois at DirtyRides. I'm gonna turn around. Over there in the distance is Jeremy, the owner.
Hey guys, I'm Jeremy Hatfield, and this is DirtyRides. Hey guys, good morning, Facebook.
He's gonna pick up where you left off. I wouldn't have bought it without you. Thanks so much.
I mean, I think that's really cool for her to send a video like that. I mean,
yeah, I was blown away by it.
It was like when Fred did that video with the 1969 purple yellow dune buggy, how he was just like off of a TV show.
Yeah,
and it was perfect. They two are made for TV right there.
Exactly. Jackie's good on the camera.
Yeah. But thank you, Jackie, for sending that video, and you know, we're glad that it's in some great hands. DirtyRides, definitely go check out their shop. They got a great facility.
Yeah,
I mean, we are family owned, small,
yeah,
still growing, so of course we don't have all that, but I did look at a lot of pictures, and they have some sweet rides. Yeah, and I think they have car shows there too. There was a bunch of other muscle cars I saw, and a bunch of other Volkswagens, so they mess around a bunch of stuff. But,
so I still have a lot to learn with these.
Yeah.
A decade, besides it was my first car, but about 10 years I've been doing VWs. So.
Yeah. But it looks like the thing is in a great shop. Definitely go check out DirtyRides. Thank you, Jackie, for sending that video. And we just wanted to share it with you guys to show you that she got it, and it's now being worked on.
And if they'd like to, we would like them to send us some updates every now and then.
Yes, DirtyRides, send us pictures throughout the whole process of it. We'll build them all to where you're at the point of giving back to her, and then we'll release that in a video.
Continue the story.
Yeah,
and it'll
that's
be
the goal.
DirtyRides that did the restoration or whatever she's going to have done to it.
Yeah.
And if they send us the progress, then we'll
of course show it to you guys.
Link,
down in the description.
And continue the story on in DirtyRides.
That's the goal for us. We show whoever bought the vehicle, the work done to the vehicle, and whoever bought the vehicle after it was sold.
Just like the 78 Champagne Edition.
Just like that.
Us pictures.
Jim,
him
all the time.
Car shows and winning trophies and winding up in the Dune Buggies and Hot VWs magazine. So they could send us their progress on it, and we'll take care of that in a video in the future.
And another thing I'd like to tell you guys is the other day there was tons of different shows. We got Captain's Crawl, which was Jawbreaker's first annual event for that. We got Auburndale, which was the third annual event for that, which Bob and I think Melissa was running that, which is great. I'm sorry we didn't get a chance to come out. There was the one in Perry, which had the VW Factory. They were there sponsoring that one. And then there was one other one in the Big Apple Inn at Delray Beach, I think it was. There was too many events. They were all scheduled on the same day, but they're all such great events.
I wanted to go to the Auburndale one because it's not so far.
Yeah.
But then again, I wanted to go to the Captain's Crawl, but we're not ready for it yet. We don't have a ride, and we got so much to do to get prepared for
Buggies on the beach
and cabin coming over, and
which is Wednesday.
In 2.5 years.
Yeah.
So sorry we couldn't make it to those. Maybe next year. I haven't yet been to the Auburndale one, and
I would like to go.
Unbelievable, Frank said.
Yeah, Frank did say that. Another thing Frank did say yesterday when he stopped by just to toss around some ideas and stuff, he happened to say that it seems like with the whole VW life, there's so many VW events that you want to go to that you never get the chance to get any work done. So you're always behind.
There's so many of them.
Yeah.
And I'm behind as it is right now.
So we're trying to catch up before the ones that we're going to go to in the vacation. So, I mean, we would love to go to all the events, guys. And we thank you, of course, all you guys for inviting us. And we will try and go to them next year. But we got to get caught up on some work and get some stuff out of here. Yeah, and get our ride on the road so we can take it to Buggies and the Beach.
So many people that want to be ready for Bug Jam.
Yeah, Bug Jam is
here, so
it's going to be great. Wish Kevin could be here for that.
This is coming together, and Pee Wee's starting to come together now. And
yeah. Hey, stay tuned. Tons of videos waiting. You know, I'm slowly filming everything, building up an archive, and then I release it to you guys. So stay tuned for a bunch of great videos. But quick, before I end off the video, I got to say that Olemi, you know, with the 1973 Super Beetle, the blue one.
Beautiful
blue one.
With the TV on the luggage rack.
Yeah, with the TV on the luggage rack, as you saw in Lakeland.
Yeah.
He actually went to the Auburndale, and he won, I think it was 3 awards. He won 2nd place in 2 categories, and also won 3rd place in another category. I'm not too sure what the categories were off the top of my head, but congrats, man. I gotta say, that is a sweet ride, and you definitely deserve that.
Those Just Buggin cars out there keep winning left and right all over the state of Florida.
Yeah, that's great.
And then some of them out of state.
Yeah, and not just Buggin cars, but remember Jeff Garner, the one that originally owned our 66 Wannabe before we owned it?
Yeah, you said
he won an award too at the Auburndale show. So, I mean, there's people winning awards left and right all day yesterday. So,
that's great.
Yeah, guys, we thank you for watching this video. And of course, stay tuned for when Kevin gets here. Stay tuned for Buggies on the Beach and all the other great events we'll be attending. So, thanks for watching the video. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, and hey, have a Just Buggin every day.
Keep on bugging.